Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Rainbow Six Siege network lag, high ping and packet loss problem. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select here use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS type 8844. After typing it, select OK to save changes and just close stuff here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Click on open it. Select inbound rules. Select a new role on the right side. In here you need to select the port and select next. Select UDP and now you just need to check my video description for this UDP code. Just to copy and paste over here. After pasting it, select next. Select allow the connection and select next. Select all these check marks and select next. Type here rainbow. After that, click on finish. After doing this, just close stuff here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these both commands, just close stuff here. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type a network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes. After doing this, just close stuff here. And now you need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.